Keep focusing on the unwanted things in your life if you want to keep them. Attention gives energy. Energy sustains the old or creates something new. So if you want to actually get what you want, a new job or relationship, more money, better health, you need to watch this video to learn how to break out of your current circumstances to create what you actually want in your life. In the realm of manifestation and the law of attraction, it's often said that circumstances don't matter. This may initially seem counterintuitive, so let's explore this concept and how you can harness this understanding to create the life you truly want. The 3D reality, the physical world we perceive with our senses, is often considered the realm of limitations, constraints, pain, and suffering. However, from a metaphysical perspective, the 3D reality is merely a reflection of our inner state of being. In other words, your current circumstances are not the cause but the effect of your beliefs, thoughts, emotions, and predominant energy. What's in your life now is a result of your past inner being. When you understand that your outer reality is a mirror reflecting back your inner landscape, you realize that trying to change external circumstances without addressing the underlying causes is futile. People who fail to do this see the same patterns repeat again and again in their 3D reality. If you want to experience different circumstances, you must first shift your internal state to align with your desired reality. The key insight here is that circumstances themselves hold no inherent power over your ability to manifest. It's your perspective, interpretation, and response to those circumstances that determine your reality. Two individuals faced with identical external conditions may have vastly different experiences based on their mindset and beliefs, and can create totally different future circumstances. By shifting your perspective from one of victimhood and powerlessness to empowerment and possibility, you reclaim your creative authority over your life. Instead of reacting to circumstances as fixed and immutable, you recognize them as your past internal state and as malleable and subject to change through inner transformation. If you want something different, change your beliefs, thoughts, standards, actions, and what you're focusing on. In our personal reality, the focus and attention we give to specific aspects of our lives determine where energy flows. We can add energy or extract it from an event in your mind. Polar attention is when you focus on something with an emotional charge or bias towards a particular outcome. It can attract or repel certain aspects of reality based on the emotional intensity associated with the focus. For example, fear-based thoughts or desires can amplify negative experiences, whereas a positive focus can attract what you want. Giving energy to the current circumstances in your life, perhaps frustration that some of these issues exist, just give them energy that sustains them in your life. Now, non-polar attention is characterized by a neutral and non-judgmental focus that lacks emotional bias or attachment. It involves observing thoughts, experiences, and circumstances without being swayed by emotional reactions or preconceived notions. You can use this to heal the past or frustration with current circumstances. This is the science behind the Buddhist principle of letting go. Pull your attention from what you don't want. So you need to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. But you also need to align with what you want. Your state of being encompasses your beliefs, thoughts, emotions, and overall vibration. It's the lens through which you perceive and interact with the world. When your state of being is aligned with your desires, you effortlessly attract corresponding experiences into your reality. For example, suppose you're aiming for a promotion at work. In a state of confidence, optimism, and self-assurance, you exude the energy of success. Your actions are purposeful, your decisions are decisive, and you naturally gravitate towards opportunities that lead to advancement. On the other hand, if you're harboring doubts, fears, or feelings of unworthiness, your state of being reflects uncertainty and lack. Despite your qualifications and efforts, you may find yourself stuck in a cycle of missed opportunities or stagnation. So the key to manifesting your desires lies in consciously cultivating a state of being that aligns with your intentions. Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the field of metaphysics and manifestation, emphasized the principle that circumstances don't matter in the face of a powerful assumption. According to Goddard, assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, regardless of present circumstances, is the most potent tool for manifestation. When you embody the state of the wish fulfilled, feeling as though your desire is already a reality, you impress upon the subconscious mind a new blueprint for creation. This inner conviction and assumption inevitably reflect in your outer reality, rearranging circumstances to align with your dominant state of being. Rather than fixating on changing circumstances, focus your attention on cultivating the desired state of being associated with your manifestation. Your imagination is a potent tool for bridging the gap between your current reality and your desired future. By vividly picturing yourself living the life you aspire to, you activate the creative forces of the universe to bring your vision into fruition. For example, suppose you aspire to start your own business. Rather than seeing entrepreneurship as a distant dream, begin to embody the identity of a successful business owner, here and now. Visualize yourself managing daily operations, delighting customers, and celebrating milestones of growth and prosperity. By seeing your desired future as your present, you naturally align your actions with your vision. Every decision, choice, and behavior becomes infused with the energy of your desired reality. You take inspired action from a place of confidence, clarity, and purpose, knowing that each step brings you closer to your goals. Take time each day to immerse yourself in a mental movie of your ideal reality. See yourself achieving your goals, experiencing abundance, and radiating joy and fulfillment. Engage all your senses as you visualize, allowing yourself to feel the textures, hear the sounds, and savor the emotions of your envisioned future. In order to look past your current circumstances, if you desire something other than what you're currently experiencing, is to shift your mindset. Instead of fixating on what you lack, your current circumstances where you don't have what you want, focus on appreciating and embracing what you want as if it's already yours. Ignoring 3D reality does not mean denying or suppressing the existence of external conditions. Instead, it involves shifting your attention away from what is towards what you intend to create. Here are some practical steps to help you ignore 3D reality while manifesting. Focus on the end result. Instead of dwelling on your current circumstances, visualize and immerse yourself in the feeling of your desired outcome already manifested. Create vivid mental images and evoke the emotions associated with your wish fulfilled. Practice detachment. Release attachment to how and when your manifestation will unfold. Trust in the intelligence of the universe and surrender the details to a higher power. Detachment allows space for divine orchestration and unexpected synchronicities to manifest your desires effortlessly. Engage in inspired action. Trust in the divine timing of the universe and follow your intuition as you navigate your path towards your desires. Remain open to unexpected opportunities and synchronicities, knowing that the universe is conspiring in your favor to bring your manifestations to fruition. While inner alignment is crucial, taking inspired action aligned with your desires is also essential. Action taken from a place of alignment amplifies the manifestation process and accelerates results. Circumstances don't matter when it comes to manifesting your desires. Instead of being at the mercy of external conditions, recognize your inherent power to shape reality through your thoughts, beliefs, and state of being. The future you envision is not a distant destination, but already created, just waiting to be claimed by you. You do this by assuming it's yours in your mind and with your feelings. Now that you know the basics, the next step is master the law of assumption. You can do this by watching this video here.